This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by choosing a ribbon with shine, metallic, or satin works best, because highlights create the bokeh shape. Cut a lens mask from cardstock to fit your lens, then craft a rose outline in the mask with a 2-3 cm hole in the middle. Once done, glue or tape pre-folded ribbon petals to the mask, forming layered loops around the center. Make sure the center remains clear so the light makes tight, rose-shaped bokeh. Now mount the ribbon mask onto your lens, aligning the rose petal openings with the optical center so light passes through each petal shape. You want a medium tele or 50 mm prime at the widest aperture, f/1, 8 to f/2. 8, because shallow depth of field turns lights into shaped discs. Next, place small light sources or fairy lights 3 to 10 meters behind your subject. This distance enlarge. You finish by composing and manually focusing on the subject while keeping the lights deliberately out of focus so they render as rose shapes. Check exposure for the subject. If the shapes are too soft, stop down a bit or tighten the ribbon petals for crisper edges. Once satisfied, bracket a few frames. If petals misalign, rotate the mask on the lens or shift the mount by millimeters until the rose pattern centers. This fine-tuning fixes asymmetric bokeh quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.